Hey YouTube, we are trying to move in soon, so we need one of these. I initially thought about doing a sliding door. You could buy the kits. They looked relatively easy to install, but we went with a rod and shower curtain because the wife wants a shower rod and shower curtain. So the wife gets what the wife wants. The main reason is we do want to have kids eventually, and it's a lot easier to wash babies when you have a shower curtain and rod. Let's read the instruction manual. Going to start assembling. They labeled everything A and B. So here are the A pieces and B pieces. The shorter notches will fit into these metal pieces. So I am assuming these shorter notches will go there for A and there for B. To figure out what is up and down, the fasteners here will face down. The last part is this will be on the outer edge, and then this will be on the outer edge for the other side. This is where we're currently at. Everything is nice and level. These end pieces were pretty easy to get on there, so I moved ahead a few steps. Once the A side and B sides are connected, I figured out this horizontal distance. It was about 58 inches for us. I set these little screws on the bottom to 58 inches and put this into place. But I had to Google this height, and on average it's 75 to 77 inches, so that's what I did. Once it was in place, I used the hand crank on the B side to get it tensioned, marked a few holes where we're gonna drill. Got the shower curtain rod installed. It came with drywall anchors and fasteners. I also put this little plastic covering to cover that. This was my first time using a masonry bit, and it worked surprisingly well with the hammer function. I peeled off all the stickers. Let's get the inner fabric liner and outer shower curtain on there. I got everything put up. We went with succulents because my wife loves succulents. I like them too, but we saw this at Target and we're like, well, I guess we're getting that. We ended up going with a curved rod because we wanted a little bit more shower room. You'll get a little bit less bathroom room, but we do have plenty of space in here, so a curved rod made sense. 28th video done.